All right, it's October 3rd and the new Cactus Plant Flea Market Adult Happy Meal arrived at McDonald's and I went and got one for lunch. I got the 10-piece nugget meal and we're gonna do a live toy unboxing. Here is the package. Very fun, very cool. That's the box. Here's the toy. So I felt it, pretty sure it's Grimace, but I'm gonna open it carefully and we'll see what it is. Using scissors. So this meal cost me over $10. I know in other places it's more than that, but I thought for the fun collectible toy, it was worth it. All right. Grimace has always been my favorite. I was right. What is this? You know, like purple lumpy boy, plastic, hollow Grimace. There you have it. I got a Grimace.